like a boogie though too. To be fair.
Kinda, yeah. I mean, his teeth actually have the same kind of teeth now.
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
Okay, Michael, calm down.
Stop calling me that!
Yo, you need to abduct this kid.
Oh, holy crap!
Oh my God! What is that?
What is that doing? What is it doing?
What the f did I tell you?
Oh my God! It's a bird, Michael.
It's being sent. It's being sent by the government. I knew it.
Remember the birds inside?
Okay, all
This
right.
is something you now. Was that not weird?
It's a little. All right, it's a little weird.
Where that bird just like flew into the window trying to get into our conversation.
Or was
Birds
it-
are cameras.
Or what if it's an alien bird? Why is it gotta be the government?
Oh, why is there an alien bird?
Or what if it's an alien bird? Or what if it's an alien bird? Or what if it's an alien bird?
Oh, holy crap!
What is that doing? What is it doing?
What the f